Hey, it's Brian from Arc Safety, and I'm here to show you how to properly clean your prescription safety glasses. This might seem kind of simple, but there's actually a great way to do it that's going to prevent any scratching or damage to your lenses. So there's definitely some things to keep in mind when cleaning your prescription safety glasses. First, use a microfiber cloth. A microfiber cloth is designed to pick up and remove dirt and grease. Don't use your shirt or paper products. This is just going to push grease or dirt into the lenses, and that can cause scratching and permanent damage. If you're using a cleaning solution, make sure it's alcohol-free and anti-reflective coating safe. The reason for this is any alcohol-based cleaning solutions are going to break down the coatings on your lenses. To begin, liberally spray both sides of the lenses. Using your microfiber cloth, clean in small circles to remove all dirt and grease. When you're finished, you can let them air dry or dry with a clean microfiber cloth. And that's it. Using this cleaning method is going to give you the best results when cleaning your prescription safety glasses. It's going to prevent any scratching or damage to your lenses, and they're going to come out great. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to us at arcsafety.com.